Hey there! Here at MotaWord, we're constantly trying out new things to make our customers' lives easier when it comes to translation. We work with users who rely on our translation services consistently, so we wanted to run a simple experiment. What if we built a few automations on NA10 and tested whether they actually help in real day-to-day work? And this is the third and last workflow we're releasing in this run. This workflow focuses on something that happens after a project is already underway, checking its status. Usually with MotaWord, all you have to do to check the progress of your projects is log into MotaWord and check out your dashboard. And this works perfectly for most people. However, if you don't have 5 minutes to spare, this workflow is the one that you need. Now let's check out the details of how it works. The first node is a schedule trigger that runs the workflow at regular intervals, every few minutes. And you can adjust this depending on how frequently you want to know about your project's progress. Next comes the most important step, which is the configuration step. Here you'll set up your MotaWord API connection by adding your bearer token. And of course you can check this by creating an account at MotaWord and going to your dashboard and clicking on the Connect tab. Right there at the top, you can copy this API token and place it directly in the configuration node. Another thing you're going to have to set up is the Google Chat webhook. And you can create a webhook in any Google Chat space by going to Apps and Integrations and adding a new webhook. Once everything is set up, the workflow runs like this. It starts by fetching a list of your most recent projects from MotaWord. Then it selects the relevant projects to monitor, making sure it extracts details like project ID, name, target language, and delivery information. For each of these projects, it requests real-time data from MotaWord. Then it calculates percentages, identifies whether a project is not started, in progress, or completed, and it organizes everything into a clean summary. This workflow prioritizes active projects. The result is a clear snapshot of your translation pipeline, how many projects are active, how many are completed, and exactly how things are progressing. One important thing to keep in mind is that this workflow doesn't change anything about your projects, and it's designed to keep your team informed in real time, especially when you're managing several translation projects at the same time. So, quick question. Would this workflow be useful to you or your team? Please let us know in the comments. And that's it for this video. If you're interested in translation-related automations, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Until next video.